video, I'm going to talk about the Windows 11 23H3 features in the insider preview. As you can see, before starting the video, I want to tell you something. So, if you are an active user of this YouTube channel, you may know there is no video from 2 to 3 months. That is because I was busy in my other works, so leave that. But from today onwards, we'll upload regular videos on this YouTube channel about technical and Windows videos. Okay, so let's start the video now. So today, what is the topic of this video? Today I am going to show you the Windows 11 23H3 update features. So currently, if I go into WinRAR, as you can see in the WinRAR, it will show us Microsoft Windows version 22H2, which is very old version. It was released in 2022, but currently it's 2023 5th February as per the recording of this video. So yeah, so now what will happen means, now Microsoft is providing some new features, okay, in the insider preview. As you can see, this is the insider preview. So what now Microsoft is providing some new features. As you can see, the new search bar and some changes in the settings app also, and the new system apps infrastructure. And yeah, now Microsoft is providing Amazon App Store facility. If I go into Microsoft Store, Microsoft is now providing the new insider preview Amazon App Store. As you can see, if I go here, so let me show you, by the way, 1 second. So yeah, the interface is lot smoother in the new beta updates recently. And yeah, there are a lot of things here. You can scroll and check it out. But yeah, now in the beta update of Windows 11, now you can get the new Amazon App Store in your Windows. So how to do that? Let me show you. So I'm going to show you now how to install Amazon App Store apps in your Windows and enjoy the Android experience. So what to do is, you have to search in the web browser Amazon App Store for Windows 11. Okay, Amazon App Store for Windows 11. From here, what you have to do is, you have to click on this link. Okay, so you should search in the Microsoft Store Amazon App Store. Okay, so search it. So here I will search Amazon App Store. But yeah, you should meet the minimum system requirements for Amazon App Store. Okay, currently my system is not supported, so it is not showing in the Microsoft Store. But if you have 6th generation and new Intel processors, you can get Amazon App Store. But if you are lower than that, you cannot. Okay, there are some unofficial tricks here to download it. Yeah, there are some unofficial links to download Amazon App Store, but I won't recommend to do that, by the way. Okay, so as you can see, this app will not work on your device. That's because it will not meet my system requirements. So as you can see, processor minimum should be Intel Core i3 8th generation. So mine is 2nd generation, so it won't work. Okay, so yeah, you cannot use it. So yeah, these are the new features. And by the way, now if you go into the search bar here, as you can see, there's this new layout. Previously it was not there. So yeah, now there are some new features which are Microsoft adding day by day. I like that. So yeah guys, these are the new features. And by the way, task manager has some new settings here. So in every computer also there is this new task manager. Obviously, if we go into settings, here you will get this new option, live kernel memory dump options advanced. So if you click on here, it will reset memory dump settings. Like if you have configured any virtual RAM, it will reset that. Okay, so if your computer is slowing down day by day, you can reset this to default. Okay, and restart your computer. So these are the new features in the Windows Insider preview, which will be released in the Windows 23 H3 update in this year of spring update. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the video, share the video to someone else, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. So yeah, I'll meet you in another video. So take care. Bye.